Everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, we have snow. We have quite a bit of snow, which is good because that means the temperatures are cold. We got ice being made as we speak. It's supposed to get pretty warm, you know, I think in like a couple days. Might hit 50, but it's supposed to drop right back down again. So that being said, we're gonna stay inside and we're gonna make another trout fishing video. So sit back and I hope you enjoy this one. Okay. Okay. It's a little tippy compared to my 13 footer, but yeah, that'd probably be your best option. Yeah, I'm gonna come up front here and so you can get my dog leash that's hanging off the front of here. But this, I don't know why people say it paddles slow. They must not have arm strength or something. I'm moving pretty good. How'd you like that anchor? That's awesome. Some people put them in the back. I like to have them in the front because if I'm on the river, I want to be facing upstream because your bow's going to cut through. Slow down a little bit.
Oh yeah, he is. That's a good one. Oh, I'm snagged.
Oh my. Another one. Ah, shit. Oh no. No, you can have them if you want.
Oh, I'll take them. What else it could be? What you told me last time, because of this being maybe it took off. I gotta add one on there. Yeah, wow.
Hopefully I don't flip your kayak, bringing all this meat over for you.
Hopefully, the next one's mine. Because you can only have 3 on the chain.
Yeah, and guess we'll see.
The next one you catch, if you get it before me, you can let it go.
Okay. We're using the Euro Tackle High Vis little jerk bait. As you can see it, you can really see it pretty good in the water. That was a bad cast. There we go. Get out there a little more.
So right now it's 2-0. He got 2 trout. I got 0, but I had a bite. I just gotta find another one and be patient. Cause when I jig fish, sometimes I get too impatient, and then I switch all my lures. So today I'm trying not to do that.
Oh, he's a good size if you want him.
I gotta get one.
Okay.
I throw it out enough, I'll get some.
There he is.
Yeah, my hands are cold now. I'm pretty sure you'll got one over here with that thing.
We ended up going and trying out other spots because a couple anglers on the bank were a little mad because we were in their area, even though we were there like 2 hours before they got there. They were like throwing their hands up and stuff. So I decided to go back anyways. Went in between them, ended up catching another fish, the third trout of the day that we actually kept, and I decided to take that one back. Maybe. What side's your stringer on? I'll let you fish, but I'll just put this guy on your stringer for you. Okay. If they're going after it, it isn't.
Oh no, is that what you've been using the whole time?
Yeah.
That's why I'm only getting nibbles. You got that one on, that's that one you say you can't get, right?
It's a little difficult to find, yeah.
No wonder, as soon as they go to bite it, it's a wrap. So I have this thing hooked up through here. And,
Can you unhook that?
what do you need?
Unhook that. I'll keep them on my side and then you can keep fishing.
Shit. There we go. Gonna be eating good fish today.
Make sure that's hooked to something. Okay.
Yeah, just take a picture of them all. I have it directly hooked up right here now. I got my portable charger in my pocket.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, you can do that.
I can still do it, thank God.
Yeah, you can do that.
It ain't looking good.
Oh, man, he broke the hook off the back of my...
Did he?
Yeah, see it right there, the back hook?
Oh, shit.
I have to replace that. No biggie. I gotta pick up a couple more of these when I go down to Philadelphia Expo Fishing Show. It's in January. Yeah, I'll let you know when it is.
Yeah, I'm definitely good.
I can just come. I can just come up and pick you up. Bradley usually goes with me, so we'll have a whole group.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah.
How many of them are down there?
Huh? Oh, they're all down there. I went right down in the middle of them.
Yeah.
Cast, caught it, and I left. They were down there like.
I bet.
I'm down through there just staring at me and went. Psst. I was like, okay. And I just hear this. Well, I guess that's gonna wrap up this video. Came out, we caught a bunch of trout, so he's gonna have a lot of cleaning to do, and should have some nice fillets to make a tasty little dinner tonight. So gonna get these kayaks rigged up, get them back on the trailer, head for home, gonna have some lunch, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed.